Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add beautiful scroll reveal effect to your Wix website. Whether it is image, text box or buttons, we will make them appear smoothly as you scroll. It adds a modern professional touch, and yes, you don't need to do any coding. Now what you have to do is, first thing first, you have to log in with your credentials on the Wix. Right now I'm the Wix, I have logged in already. So what you have to do is just go to your site, click on my site and go to all my site, and then you have to click on your website which you want to add scroll effect. Just simply click on the select site. Now don't select edit site, where it will take you to my the Wix studio. So from here you have to choose edit site. It will take you to edit size. As you can see here, I am in the Wix classic editor. So if you know, there are two types of editor, which is one is studio and the Wix second one is the regular classic one. So I used a regular one, so you can use that too. Now let's add a section over here, the free section. Now if I want to add section over here, I can add. Now let's add an image. Just simply click in the image, or simply you can add a image over here. Let's see, choose Wix, or you can upload from your computer as well. Now what I will do, I will just simply choose again, because I don't want to upload any image. Now free from Wix, and I will choose this one. Now if you click on this image, you will get to see this pop-up over here, where you can design, you can crop, you can add filters, and there is a one option called animation and effect. What you have to do is just simply click over here, and you will get to see four types of animation, where you can get entrance, uh, like entrance animation. And for example, I will use blur image. If you go into customize, you can set a duration as well, and if you want to give a delay, you can give that too. Now if you want to give a loop on someone, you can give that too. Now scroll, if you go into scroll, if someone scroll on the image, maybe it will do something. Go into customization, speed, preview scroll. Let's see, a preview on a scroll, preview how to animation will play. For example, this effect is not working, but let's see, and then go back, and yeah, now let's click on the save and go into preview, where you can see your website. So as you can see, the animation is doing its work. As you can see here, it's the animation is good. Just simply see, so it is moving. If something I scroll, then it moves, this image moves, as you can see here. Now just simply go back to your editor. Now you can add many more things. If you want to add, like if you want to give an animation to a button, what you have to do is just simply add a new section. Now if you want to add like button and image, what you have to do is just simply click on the image, select the image, resize it, and then add a button over here. Click on the add elements, and from here you can add button. Now let's animate this button. So this is a pre-built. Click on the animation, so it will look like this. So okay, so you can add animation to anything. This is the tool which add animation into it. Now I will choose this one. For example, for fun, I will choose this one. Now click on the save again and let's preview it. Now just simply click on the preview. Now as you can see here, maybe I have to refresh it again and go into preview again. So if I scroll down, something needs to be okay. We got the animation as you can see here. So it is one-time animation. If you want to add more looped animation, you can add that too. For example, I will click on the image and I want to add loop image. For example, this one, flip effect. So what I will do, I will just see, okay, this one is not that good. Okay, so let's use this one. If you want to add scroll, if someone scroll on this image, it will give the effect. Like if you want to give this effect, you can give that. Now if someone click on the image, it should uh, resize. Just simply customize. For example, like if someone clicks on the image, this should be okay. So I have did all the things. Just simply click on the save to add the effect, click on the done and go into preview. Now let's see how it looks like. As you can see here, our animation is there and we can move this image. So you can play with this animation and effect tool. For example, go back into editor. You have lots of things to add, like just simply add, click on the image and it will pop up this, okay, it will pop up this animated thing. Just simply you can do lots of things, you just need to explore over here. Try it on text or other elements. You are not limited to just image and buttons. Try adding to text, videos, or even galleries. Click on them and check if animation are available for them, and if available then play around with it, different style, you will get your style then. And that's how you can add scroll reveal effect in your Wix. It is simple, right? It's a small detail that makes your site feel way more dynamic and professional. If this helped you, then give a like and subscribe for more beginner friendly web tutorial.